Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making the Apple Island Splash by, I'm not sure who, actually. So we're going to just go ahead and get down to making this. What you're going to need is a Sprite or a lemon lime soda. If you don't live in Ohio, a pop. Pop is the correct term. Anyways, it's stupid, okay. Pineapple rum. A pineapple rum. Most pineapple rums that I have are mostly liqueurs, but it's close enough. A sour apple schnapps, and you also need some pineapple juice. Quick and simple, nothing too horribly hard to make. You're going to need a shaker, you're going to need a jigger. Let's go ahead and get down to making it. So, what we're going to need is 1.5 ounce of our pineapple rum. 1.5 ounces of our sour apple schnapps. Had to think there for a minute. I wasn't entirely sure what I was saying. 1.5 ounces of our pineapple juice. Like so. And then we're going to shake. It's easy peasy. And that's enough shaking for me. And then we're going to go ahead and fill up our rocks glass with our concoction. Like so. Maybe a little less foam. And then we are going to top it off with our Sprite. So nothing huge, just a little bit of extra. You could probably get away with using like soda water or club soda if you're not a fan of lemon lime, but you know, just easy peasy. Let's go ahead and try it. I kind of wanted to try it without the Parrot Bay one and see if it's better with Malibu instead, personally. But it's actually pretty refreshing. It's not super apple-y, it's more pineapple based. Still pretty good, I'm not gonna lie, it's still pretty good. Yeah, not too bad actually. It's pretty refreshing. Like I said, it's big on the pineapple, big strong pineapple taste, and it has a little bit of an apple-y flavor. But nothing too atrocious. So if you're not really big on that super apple flavor, this is probably the way to go. But I kind of want to try and see if it's better with Malibu instead. Just to see, just curiosity. Well, I'll put down in the comments section which one I think is better, or do like another like really quick video to, you know, say, hey, this is better than this. I don't know. We'll figure it out later. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.